Former actress Michelle Magical officially tied a knot with her partner Kevin Neal in a civil wedding held in a Texas courthouse. Michelle was previously married to Troy Wolfort, but they divorced in 2022. They have a daughter named Annika. On Instagram, Michelle shared a highlight reel from their civil wedding ceremony, captioning it with, "Wow, we still plan to celebrate our wedding with our loved ones. For now, we are overjoyed to be married. We are two people seeking the Lord to grow individually and as a couple, and to guide Annika and our future child."